I want to urge majority leaders, together with the majority whip, that character assassination is a serious thing in this country. You know, what you say is not consumed only by you, but is consumed by so many Kenyans. This is a serious government official that what he says cannot come as a simple statement of fun on a Twitter page. Because what the CS said, in the eyes of the public and in the eyes of many people, intended to demean the Speaker and actually intended to suggest that the Speaker of the Senate of Kenya was playing a role that is not his and was therefore taking the duties of the foreign ministry. This is the fact. And I like the fact that the majority leader did read about the tweet as it was phrased. It wasn't phrased as a normal routine tweet of explaining to you my job, this is what I do. It wanted to be able to escape from responsibility of the fact that before those foreigners, foreign diplomats make it to our country, there is a sincere responsibility in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to know that they're in the country. If they travel all the way from Somaliland to this place without the ministry knowing, without the ministry actually even being able to have them pay a courtesy call to them, then it means that it indicts the ministry for being extremely porous, which is what my friend Senator Ososi was talking about, the issue of competence. How comes that these foreign diplomats made it to our country and then came to pay a courtesy call to our Speaker, and then you want to blame the Speaker for hosting them? So, you know, it's extremely wrong, and I think that we should not, you know, again, this can work either way, majority leader. You know, the idea of we should not eat our cake and have it is the same way the ministry cannot eat the cake and have it at the same time. I think that the PS sincerely, in good faith, does indeed owe the Speaker an apology for actually throwing aspersions that the Speaker was trying to take his job. And this apology, perhaps not even to the Speaker directly. It should just go back to the same Twitter, because I think that he operates very well on Twitter and engages people on Twitter very well. And just offer apology and clarity that the mistake was done from his side. He wasn't keen on doing his duties. The Speaker was doing his duty as should, because we as a House do actually have a role in engaging on foreign resources, diplomatic relations, as are the members of the executive. So it was inappropriate. The message was inappropriate. It meant to demean the Speaker. It meant to demean the House, and we must take it as such. And demanding an apology doesn't mean sometimes restrained relationship. It means acknowledging the fact that that kind of aspersion could also affect the effectiveness of our Speaker as well as the effectiveness of this House. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, I thank you, and I hope that as we go for recess, we will keep on championing for the place of Senate as well as the Parliament at large in this governance that we have in the country. Thank you so much.
Senator Kathuri.